Rekod weche magiere ni jaod bura machon makanduyu Wafula Wamunyinyi oyango dhi laro kom senet ma Bungoma manowe thuolo tok Moses Wetangula yier kaka spika mar od bura mamalo. Wamunyinyi mane wuoyo kawuono wacho ni dhi ting'o bendech Azimio la Umoja e yiero no ka en gi geno mar yudo loch. Omedo ni giseketo ikruok makare ma bende dhi konye campaign mar neno ni Azimio oyudo loch.
We are offering ourselves, I'm offering myself, not just as one interested to be a senator, but one that, is senior, is serious, and can represent the people. People of Bungoma will be happy to have a serious representative at the Senate. That is why today I've agreed, I've said niko na yote ambaye inahitajika kuwa senator wa Bungoma, na nawauliza because they have asked me through petitions that I have received, presentations that I have received, tutembee pamoja, tuingie kwa hii kura in the most peaceful manner. Let's conduct peaceful campaigns, na tuache watu wa Bungoma wachague.
And on that note, I would like to tell the chairman of IBC, Wafula Wamunyinyi, don't mess with Bungoma's democracy. You did it in August, don't do it again. And it's very clear you are intending to do it again because you knew very well there will be other by-elections. These other seats were declared vacant yesterday by the Senate and the National Assembly. Why didn't you wait for those by-elections to happen together?